Hey guys, so some of you asked me about these leaked images of what many people believe to be the Sony WF-1000XM4 noise cancelling earbuds. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my thoughts, my sentiments about what we're seeing from these images, assuming that these are legit images of the XM4 earbuds, or to be specific, the XM4 earbuds packaging, its box, because it's been a couple of weeks and Sony hasn't confirmed or denied whether these images are real or not. And later on in this video, I'm also going to share with you some predictions that I have about where I think Sony is gonna take the XM4 earbuds in terms of features and in terms of design. So stick around. But before we get into this video, I just want to put it out there that I do not have any information about the XM4 earbuds launch date. So guys, please don't ask me in the comment section, is it going to be launched at IFA? Is it going to be launched end of the year? Because I do not know. But guys, if you don't want to miss out on any leaks, rumors or information about the XM4 earbuds, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell, because as soon as I get any such information, you guys will be among the first to know. Okay, let's pull up the very first picture. Now, as we can see from this picture of the earbud itself, it's safe to assume that Sony has learned some very important lessons about how truly wireless earbuds should be designed. I mean, if you've ever used the WF-1000XM3 earbuds, or if you are currently using the XM3 earbuds, you know that in terms of design, it isn't exactly there yet. For example, in terms of fit, it can provide a pretty snug fit after experimenting with different ear tips and all, but it is not exactly the snuggest, most ergonomic fit. And after a while, after about half an hour, 1 hour, or 2 hours of use, as soon as your ears get a little sweaty or a little waxy, it tends to slip out of position quite easily. So in terms of fit, it isn't exactly there yet. And what's making the matter a little worse is the size of the earbuds. Let's just say that it's a little large, and as a result, it pushes the center of gravity a little further away from your ears, making it a little easier for the earbuds to dislodge itself out of position. So if we look at the new design, the design of the XM4s, it is definitely an improvement in terms of the size of the earbuds. It looks a little smaller. That's great. And also it looks a little more ergonomic, as in it looks like it might fit in your ears a little tighter, a little more snugly. There's also this circular gold accent around what appears to be a little porthole or air vent on the earbuds. Now, if you guys know something about speaker design or headphone design, these air vents or portholes are generally used to allow the drivers inside the acoustic chamber a little more freedom of movement, because it wouldn't have to fight against the internal air pressure that's created when listening to music in the air chamber compared to completely closed off earbud design. This can have the effect of letting the earbuds achieve a greater frequency response range. And if we look at the second picture, this picture of this small segment of the box, you'll see that the XM4 earbuds will be high-res audio certified. Now, what does this mean? This means that the XM4 earbuds can achieve frequency response range of 20 Hz to 40 kHz. That's double that of the XM3 earbuds. Pretty impressive. The other thing that we can see here from this picture of the box is that the XM4 earbuds will have a total battery life of up to 24 hours. That's 6 hours in the earbuds and an extra 18 hours in the charging case. Total 24 hours. That to me is entirely reasonable, because it can be quite challenging for a company to decrease the size of its product, yet at the same time increase its battery life. It's quite hard to do, which is why I'll be happy if Sony can make the product smaller, more compact, yet at the same time offer the same battery life as the XM3 earbuds, its predecessor. I'll be happy with that. Okay, so let's move on to some predictions. I think it's pretty safe to say that some features from Sony's full-size WH-1000XM4 noise-cancelling headphones will be carried over to the XM4 earbuds. Some of these features could possibly include the DSEE Extreme Audio Upscaler, which is an improvement over the DSEE HX upscaler found in the XM3 earbuds. The speak-to-chat feature of the XM4 headphones might also find its way to the XM4 earbuds. Now, what is speak-to-chat? The headphones will constantly be listening out for your voice, and when you start to speak to somebody in front of you, it automatically engages transparency mode so that you can have a proper conversation with whoever's in front of you. This is something that we have already seen with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, so it is definitely within reason to expect that the XM4 earbuds might also carry such a feature over from the XM4 headphones. Now, what about high-res audio codec support? Is the XM4 earbuds possibly going to support audio codecs like aptX, aptX HD, or LDAC? Going by how Sony had already excluded aptX from the XM4 headphones, it is within reason to expect that the same will be for the XM4 earbuds. The XM4 earbuds, chances are, might not have any aptX or aptX HD support, but seeing as how these earbuds are also high-res certified and you can't really enjoy high-res music without a high-resolution bandwidth audio codec, it is perfectly reasonable to expect that the XM4 headphones will have LDAC audio codec support. Now, will it actually have LDAC support? That remains to be seen because LDAC is pretty power hungry, not only for your earbuds but also for your smartphone, the device that you are streaming music from. So any kind of streaming done with LDAC will have at least a very small impact on the XM4 earbuds battery life. Now, is the XM4 earbuds gonna have improved noise cancelling and phone call quality? That remains to be seen, but one thing's for sure. If Sony wants to maintain their market share right now in the year 2021, or maybe even grow its market share a bit, it's gonna push the envelope hard in those areas because right now, as good as the XM3 earbuds were a couple of years ago when it was first launched, it is right now facing very stiff competition. Competition from who? Competition from the likes of the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds, for example, because right now the Bose QC earbuds have, in my opinion, the best noise cancelling performance and best phone call quality, albeit it's a little more expensive. It's also facing a lot of competition from the likes of Jabra, a brand that prides itself on making earbuds that are very compact in size yet have a very strong feature set at reasonable prices too. So the year 2021 is going to be a very interesting year for truly wireless earbuds, and if Sony wants to maintain or even grow their market share, it's going to be competitive also in the area of noise cancelling performance and phone call quality. And like I said earlier in the video, if I've got any more information about the XM4s, be it through official sources, non-official sources, I'm going to come to you directly. So if you don't want to miss out on any future content from this channel, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. Thanks guys for watching. Really appreciate you taking your time to support this channel through your viewership, and I'll see you again, bros and sisters, in the next video.